In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove poll on WhatsApp. First of all, launch open WhatsApp application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the chats interface. So what you have to do is open the WhatsApp chat that contains the poll you want to delete. Simply tap on that chat. Now in this chat, you'll be able to see the poll over here. So if you want to remove it, what you have to do is simply tap and hold on the poll message. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. At top, you'll be able to see the menu. You'll be able to find various icons. Right over here, you'll be able to see the trash icon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find three options over here: delete for everyone, delete for me, cancel. So if you want to remove the poll, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, delete for everyone. Now once you do that, this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option OK. Now you can see over here the poll will be deleted. So like this, you'll be able to remove the poll. So that is how you remove poll on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.